we've gotten lockdown. I mean, gone into lockdown, and I think I should start, just making a bank of all these makeup videos and keeping so that later on I can just upload them when I'm shooting. But this is the time, where we have gotten the time not to be in makeup. But otherwise, all the time we are always in makeup, and our skin goes for a toss because there's so much of makeup that we use every single day for like 12 hours. So I am just letting my skin breathe, enjoying not being with makeup and not having makeup around me. Because once I go back to shoot, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of that we are seeing.
Okay. And like, does the team like say, do have chats like on Zoom calls or video conferencing like the Kasauti team, like when you all get bored? Because actors get very attached to each other, like being 75% of the time together.
Yes, yes. We do have that at times, but most of the time we have a WhatsApp group which we chat on. Mostly it's, like the four of us, Shubhri, Sonia, me, and Amber. So,
Okay.
for random things literally every single day.
Okay. And like coming like from Kuch Rang Pyar Ke SAV was a huge, though not a TRP success, but the show got immense love online and even it's recognized as one of the best shows to come out of India in recent times. And now Kasauti, like your run on TV has been absolutely magical. So what do you have to say about that?
Um, I don't know. I just have been very blessed, I think, and I feel very grateful for having been a part of this industry and for receiving so much of love and support from everyone who has just been there for me right from the day I stepped into this industry. And yeah, you can't really express these kind of feelings in words.
Okay. So like Sonakshi or Prerna, whom are you closer to in real life as a character?
Asked this question a million times, and I've answered the same thing, that I can't differentiate between the two because both are very dear to me. So both are equally important and have been.
Okay. And now, like, we are seeing, this Prerna is in this totally boss babe mode. Like, she wants to get back to Anurag for whatever has happened to her. Has it ever happened, like, with you? Like, you have felt that someone has not treated you well and you have, like, taken it upon yourself. No, I'll show it to him, like.
That kind of a person. I usually let karma do its work. I
Okay.
I'm actually a person who forgets, not forgets,
Okay.
forgives. Yeah, very easily. So I'm a forgiving person, and my closest friends wonder all the time. Sometimes they call me Jagat Mata because of it and the way I am. But I think forgiveness is the most toughest thing to do, but it's the most essential part to in order to have peace in your life. Why do you mess up your life and your the peace in your life by uh, keeping that kind of grudge or any kind of negative feeling for anyone else? It's destroying you more than the other person. So I think it's necessary for you to be more forgiving.
And like Erica, like we have seen like your makeup and also like even you got a fashionista and both your characters, whether it was Sonakshi or Prerna, like people like the style, the saris, the dress up and all of that. How much of it you have your own involvement in that? Like, do you
uh,
sit down with the stylist at times and tell her that, okay, this is what I would, is my take?
No, sometimes I do, but then we kind of don't agree on the same terms when it comes to the outfits, because sometimes when I say that you need to make it look more real, but then obviously you can't show completely real on TV because you have to show larger than life. So sometimes, I talk to the creatives about the same thing. When Prerna was a different character, when she was middle class, I wanted more middle class, like, you know outfits. And but even our audience wants to see the more glamorous side of your lead. So they kind of maintain a balance between the glam and realistic outfits. And yeah, now the character has changed and she's rich now, so they can show
One thing like in the past 3 4 years we are seeing that more than film actors it is TV actors who are ruling over social media. Like every day you like when Kasauti started, like Anupri the hashtag would trend in the morning. Some other shows also kaha hum kaha tum, ye even ye rishta kya kehlata hai, like everyone makes. And Big Boss obviously is like a social media like a phenomenon. It has become the 13th season. So what do you think is the reason behind this unprecedented popularity of TV actors on social media?
Because the reach of TV is much more than movies, if you were to see. And TV is something that you can watch from the comfort of your home. You don't have to go anywhere else. Like if you want to watch something that's out soon, you have to go to the movie theaters to watch it when it's new out there, or you would have to wait for a while. And that is just like 3 hours, maximum of 3 hours that you get to watch them every single day. So the reach is more. People love it more because there's so much of drama and something that is not that sometimes usually doesn't happen in real life, but you like watching it. So that is what TV is all about, and that's why it has so much of reach, and that's why I think TV actors are more popular on social media.
Okay. And like coming to Kuch Rang Pyar Ki Aise Bhi, like the show still has got, like so much of love. Obviously, it had a second season, but would you like to, given a chance, work with the same team in a new show? Would you like to do something?
It really depends on the makers if they want to cast like the same team or no.
Okay. Okay, there's someone who has written, "Hi from Bhutan, I miss you on TV."
Yes, we miss being on TV too.
Yeah. And then love you, Supergirl.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Erika, in advance. So that's like the big thing. Your birthday is coming. So obviously it's a very difficult time for all of us. But any like small plans or
All actually. In fact, I'm just going to be disconnecting completely from tomorrow and for a couple of days, and my phones are going to be off for until the 8th. So I'll come back on the 9th, and yeah, back again to normal. I just want to have like few days.
okay. So like this social media detox also is like it's something you do once in a while or twice a year or something.
I do it very regularly. In fact, I come online very seldom and post something, but I'm usually someone who doesn't make too many posts or is not very active on social media.
Okay. And okay, this 14th को मेरा बर्थडे है 7 days मैम प्लीज विश कर दीजिए.
Happy birthday.
But I seriously like the love people have for you and your characters is immense. Like, I miss Kasauti Zindagi Ki and Prerna. So happy birthday, Eddie. Like a lot of messages are coming in. Like, so do you like how much of a
Uzi's back again. I'm sorry, I was reading. So what did you say? I'm so sorry. Can you repeat it?
No, I said people are so crazy about both the characters, whether it is Dr. Sonakshi Bose or it is Prerna. So now, and the kind of love that you have got in this view, it's like it's a lot more that many people take some time, but your craze has been to some other level very quickly. So, do you take that as a pressure or do you take it with a lot of love?
Oh, it is a lot of love. Why would it be a pressure? It is a wonderful feeling to have so many people loving you and being there for you and admiring you and just appreciating your work. It's a lovely feeling. It's not like a pressure, but yeah,
But like they always say in showbiz that being successful, it's okay, you get it, but sustaining success becomes successful actor says. So how much like do you believe in planning and strategizing when it comes to career?
advertising in anything. Um, the only thing is you should maintain I mean, the, your determination and your dedication shows in your work. So you need to maintain that. I'm sure it will reflect through your work. People will see it, will appreciate what is going on there.
Okay. And like in both these two shows, like who are the actors who have influenced you the most?
In what way?
Like as a performer.
Um, See, I think I've played both the characters in not a similar way, but there are similarities between both the characters, and I think I've found more layers and more, you know, uh, scope of performance in Prerna. Because I've done is something apart from my character, like becoming a Sardarji, and all of those things. So it has given me more scope for acting, which I like.
And obviously, like when this Kasauti Zindagi came, there was a lot of talk about, there's always a legacy that has been left behind by Shweta Tiwari ji. So did that like, when did you like become convinced like, okay, I have taken the right decision? Like, कब तक वो stress था mind के ऊपर?
Stress, but stress of how I'm going to play the character. It was so. It was never a stress in a way, but it was obviously there was some kind. You want to think into this,
Go back to the movies if you get a very good script and a good banner backing a project.
yeah, why not? It really only has to catch my interest. And, yeah, that's all.
Okay. And so like tell me like how is like a regular day for you in the lockdown?
A regular day for me in a lockdown is waking. I wake up by around 7:38, and breakfast, preparing for lunch, cooking lunch, filming lunch. Then after that, having lunch, editing it, and there are other things that I do in between. So today I had a quick nap, which is before the chat, and my day just goes doing something or the other. So thank God for, I mean, YouTube and my channel out there that it just keeps me super busy because I film certain things and I edit a lot of my day. So I really don't know how my day starts and ends. Really.
Okay. So like I have seen like some videos where you're making chicken and then some, like Mangalorean dishes and things like that. So if Erica had to call, five people for a dinner party at a home, five celebrities. Okay, you can take anyone like Bollywood, Hollywood, TV. Who would the five be?
I don't see personally who I know, I will call them only. So I will call be Pooja, Baba, Hina, Amna, uh, Pat, Sahib, all of these people. Actually, the entire group of Kasauti is big Bhukkad group.
Okay. Okay. And like on the show, like whether it's Pooja, you or Hina, like three of them are like TV divas, like all the like ek se ek looks we get to see on Instagram. So when you girls sit together, how much do you all discuss like clothes, makeup? Like who has got the maximum like love for it?
I don't remember us discussing clothes. I don't remember.
Okay. So, like, what is like the general like food? Like you said, is one thing that it's a you're like maybe I talk about like try out
That's
this and any other like maybe I talk about like try out
that's
this and any other like favorite topic of conversation.
that's the topic we told.